Today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Facebook Marketplace. First go to Google and then after log into your Facebook account. Sign into your Facebook account with using username and password. As you can see, this is the Facebook Marketplace. There are thousands of items which you can buy. For an example, let's see how many laptops are there in the marketplace. There are so many laptops in different brands and for various prices. Let's take one laptop and see what are the specification details the seller has published. As you can see, all the details are given by the seller and you could ask whether this item is available or not. That means, is it sold or not? Once you send the message like this through Messenger, seller will reply you whether it's available or not. Then you can do the transaction outside the Facebook Marketplace. Let's take another example. We'll see what are the available batteries in the marketplace. As you can see, there are so many battery types and can use for different purposes. Now I am going to tell you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. For this you have to make a list for all the details. As you saw, there are 3 listing type categories. They are item for sale, vehicle for sale, and property for sale or rent. Let's take item for sale. These are the details you need to fill regarding the item you are going to sell. Let's take an item and create a selling listing. Let's create a listing for 18650 battery. First we search for a battery image and upload it. Then type a title, price and other details of the batteries. Try to fill all blank areas properly as much as you can. In this marketplace, you can sell new items as well as old used items. More details that you add to description area will lead to more sales. Sorry, I just realized that I have entered 187650 rechargeable battery into the title instead of 18650 battery. As this video is just an introduction how to do a listing, I am not going to correct it. I just continue to add details to the listing. If you find a mistake like this, you can go back and correct it before publish. I use door drop-off method to deliver the item to the customer, so that I put a note in the description area that cash on delivery is available. In this section, you can publish your advertisement in the Facebook groups what you have added already. It is an optional according to your wish, and then after that you can publish the listing. Make sure to publish your advertisements in the relevant groups only. Once you publish the advertisement, it looks like this. That's how we do sales on Facebook Marketplace. If you find this video is useful to you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.